Hi, I'm James Norton for Chowdacom Supertaster, on the road today, heading out to the burbs to Red Robin to check out their Oktoberfest menu. Now, before I do that, I should say, if you haven't checked out my Facebook page recently, Chow's Supertaster, check it out. I got some original content there. Just did Sriracha Oreos. They're going to blow your mind. Now, back to the topic of the day, Red Robin. They've got a new Samuel Adams Oktoberfest milkshake that I'm kind of excited to try. It's Oktoberfest beer plus vanilla ice cream plus caramel. And I'm interested in this because it kind of falls into this new category of food that lots of fast food places are putting out, which I call faux stream, fake extreme. Basically, like the Tacos Locos at Taco Bell, where it's like, ooh, we put a taco into tortilla chip. Wow, it's crazy. Or even like the Burger King bacon on the sundae. I don't think that's really that wild. That said, these things can taste delicious. They can be interesting, so I'm stoked to get out to Red Robin and try this new milkshake and maybe their pretzel bun Oktoberfest Black Forest ham burger as well. So let's get out there and give it a shot. Alright, I'm back from Red Robin. It was a little noisy in there, so I thought I'd tape it on the way home. So I tried the Sam Adams Oktoberfest milkshake, and I was really impressed. There was a fair amount of beer in there. You could really taste it. It wasn't just a salute to the idea of beer in your milkshake. It was very present. There was a bit of caramel with the vanilla ice cream and the beer that served as a bridge between, I think, the sweeter, more mellow maltiness of the beer and kind of modified and mollified the sharpness of the hops, or the bite of the hops. They made the whole thing into a really pleasant package. It's only $4.50 for the milkshake, which I think for an alcoholic beverage is a fantastic deal. Otherwise, Red Robin thoughts, real briefly. Pretzel bites with the Merck's beer cheese dipping sauce, terrific. A little bit of funk to the sauce. The pretzel bites were quite good. And the pretzel bunned Black Forest ham Oktoberfest burger, well balanced. I really like the sort of mustard sauteed onions that came with it. It was actually like a play on a Reuben. So Red Robin, great job on the Oktoberfest menu, and way to be a super friendly, super nice environment to eat in. I had the same experience when I reviewed their Ghost Pepper Burger. It's just like they do a very good job across the board being welcoming and prompt and on the ball. That's all I got for today. I'll see you guys Monday with some more Viewers' Choice reviews. If you don't follow me on YouTube, please jump on there and subscribe. And yeah, that's all I got for Chowdacom Supertaster. I'm James Norton. See you next week.